Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sati Education Wali. I'm student at Rehan School and have been studying here for about 2 months. I'm passionate about learning new skills and exploring innovation ideas in education. And today I'm going to present summary of the famous TED Talk Do Skills Creativity by Sir Ken Robinson. Introduction of Sir Ken Robinson. Sir Ken Robinson was a renowned British author, speaker, and international advisor on education. He was widely recognized for his work on creativity, innovation, and human potential. His studies talk to school scale creativity became one of the most used TED Talks in the history because of its powerful message about transforming education. Second, believe that every child is naturally creative and that schools should nature no limit that the creative summary of the talk in his talk. Sir Ken Robinson argues that the creativity is just as important as literacy and should be given the same importance in school. He believes that every child is born with unique talents and creative abilities, but many educator systems focus too much on academic subject and standardized testing. He explained that the school often create a hierarchy of subjects. Mathematics and language are usually considered the most important, followed um, by humanity, while arts such as music, dance, drama, and painting are often many students feels that their creative talents are not valued. Second, also talks about the fear of making mistake. He says that the children are naturally willing to task risk and try new things. However, as they grow older, schools often teach them that making mistake is bad. According to him, if people are not prepared to make mistakes, they will never come up the original ideas. One of the most memorable story is the talk is about a young girl who struggled in the traditional school setting but loved dancing. Her teacher thought she had learning difficulties, but a specialist recognized her talent, encouraged her a successful dancer and the choreographer. This story shows how important it is to recognize different from the intelligence and the talents. Ken Robinson believes that the world is changing rapidly and education should prepare students for the future by encouraging creativity, imagination, and innovation instead of treating all students the same way. Schools should help each child discover, learn from his talk. This talk taught me the creativity is not limited to art, music, or dance. Creativity can be used in science, technology, business, and everyday problem solving. I learned that the making mistake is a natural part of the learning and growth. It also reminded me that every student has different talents and these talents should be appreciated and encouraged. Conclusion: Second Robinson message is that school should not suppress creativity. Instead, that they should create an environment where students feel confident to explore their ideas, take risks, and express their talents. Education should help students discover that their strength and prepare them to become creativity thinker and innovators. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.